Last year alone, global wildfires consumed nearly 1 billion acres. Forests, properties, industries, homes, and lives devastated. They can strike anywhere, anytime. And with climate change and shifting land usage patterns, their frequency and ferocity are growing exponentially. As wildfires evolve and intensify, so must our response to them. FireSwarm is a first-to-market autonomous drone response solution that can do what humans can't, act when others don't, and go where other vehicles won't, suppressing fires faster, smarter, and more efficiently. As a pioneer in automated aerial fire suppression, FireSwarm will lead in processing real-time situational data to train our specialized AI. By working closely with our clients and partners, we're creating a network of pre-positioned, ready-to-launch drones for faster, safer, more effective wildfire response when every second counts. Low visibility, safety risks, flight regulations, and lack of available aircraft often slow firefighting efforts, both at night and during the day, allowing fires to continue to rage and spread out of control. FireSwarm's uncrewed aircraft systems have no such limits. In coordination with existing wildfire teams, swarms of multiple drones continually apply suppression pressure throughout the day and night, speeding up time to containment. Swarm control and overwatch drones synchronize seamlessly, delivering an immediate, responsive, targeted, and fully scalable response. The FireWasp Ultra Heavy Lift Drone, developed and produced in global partnership with ACC Innovations, carries more for longer over complex terrain and can fulfill a variety of support tasks, allowing them to aid in the prevention as well as suppression of wildfires. Safe, smart, adaptive, unlimited, effective. Wildfires are increasing, and FireSwarm is innovating to stay ahead of the threat. It is our mission to protect people, property, and the planet.